couple of years back when we were charging Mutiara Mauban and Telsa.
Actually, you're the person who once told me to compete on Mutianang Pilipinas because you saw a resemblance of previous queens
I
of
kept on
Mutianang.
pushing you.
Yes, Tito.
So do you think that it's really fate or destiny for you to join this pageant and then achieve international achievement?
I think I was really destined to join the Mutianang Pilipinas because despite of all the challenges I faced before deciding to compete on Mutia, me and my team is choosing a two pageant, Mutianang Pilipinas and the other competition. But my heart decided to choose Mutianang Pilipinas and to fulfill and conquer my childhood dream to compete on Mutianang Pilipinas. And here I am living that dream in reaching more than competing on Mutianang Pilipinas, but also bringing pride to our country by winning in top model of the world. Yes. So, I still remember that night, we're just having a dinner at the backstage and you told me, why don't you join Mutianang Pilipinas? And I was really hesitant that night, I remember that.
Well, congratulations, Eunice.
Thank you, Tito.
What important lesson did you learn from competing against model from other part of the world?
Well, to be honest po, this was really challenging for me because I competed alone in Egypt. So I need to do my own hair and makeup, which is I used to have my own long teeth on my side. So every day from our shoots, I need to do my own look. It was really challenging because you were tired for the whole day activities and then the other day you need to set up another look. So the lesson I learned from this competition is as a beauty queen, you should know how to do your own hair and makeup. You should be independent and you know how to carry yourself well internationally.
Okay, finally, your best advice to all young Filipinas who dreams of competing in international stage?
My message or my advice to the young girls who are wishing to compete internationally, just be yourself, carry yourself well, and insert a lot of effort and dedication, and everything will follow. What your hearts want will help you to bring home the title or the crown that you want.
Thank you so much.
Tita saw me cry several times, but I'm so blessed for the opportunity that Tita Cory gave me at the Mutianang Pilipinas. They were appointing me to represent the Philippines in top model of the world. And that day I asked them, why me? And then Tita responded so many things to compliment myself. But when I flew in Egypt, I sent a message to Tita Cory every day asking for her guidance and support, and she always sent me a lot of motivational advices. So that for me, that every day, if I face challenges or I'm feeling down or pressured at all, she reminded me the reason why she sent me to Egypt. And despite the distance and time difference, Tita is always there for me. She was checking my outfit, if I made the right hair and makeup, or even the swimsuit competition. We made a lot of reviews with the performance, with the closer interview, and the night before the coronation. So despite that Tita Cory is not with me on that competition, it makes me feel like since day one I was there in Egypt, Tita Cory was with me. She was always guiding me, and I'm so thankful for all of the love and support, Tita Cory, and to the Mutianang Pilipinas.
But you gave the highest placement for the Philippines under top model of the world, right? So how do you feel about that? Grabe, ang tagal natin inantay ito at ngayon, highest placement ito for the Philippines.
To be honest, when I checked in at the hotel and then when I knew that my roommate is Colombia and the girls was telling, oh, the two frontrunners are sharing the same room. So when I looked back at the candidates, I was sharing the room with Colombia. So since day one, I felt a lot of pressure. They was looking forward that the Philippines gonna perform well this year because for the past several years, Philippines just entered in the top 15 and bringing home the title of Miss Globe. But this time, we made the history. So this is the first time that we entered in the top 3 of the top model of the world, and we recognized the beauty and talent of Asian Filipinas in this competition. Because before, it's more of Latinas. They are the ones dominating this pageant, but this time they see our purpose and beauty.
Deserve mga. Walang Q&A. No final round. Kundi, poses on stage.
Yes, because the Q&A was held on closer interview prior to the coronation night. And then the criteria for you to be able to enter on the top 6 is you just need to have a runway of quick seconds. So it means in the quick seconds, you should get the attention of the judges at all. With the 30 seconds of exposure, you need to catch their attention and you need to secure your position that you're gonna enter the top 6. So it's really challenging for me because I don't have a lot of chance to snatch the crown, but whenever I came out to the stage, I made sure that the eyes of the judges will be locked on me.
So meaning you stole their hearts.
Yes. I need to stole their hearts and eyes.
I agree.
Yes,
Congrats,
in 30
Yuli.
seconds.
Congrats.
Inches na ang waist mo ngayon, grabe.
Parang kasi kailangan kong habulin yung inches ni yung waistline ni Anita.
Ay, oo nga.
Di ba kailangan ko habulin yung sa waistline ng best
Malapit ka na na-earn. Anyway, may question. Can you share memorable behind-the-scenes moments during the competition? May mga nag-attitude pa sa'yo? May mga story ba na nagkakaroon na gusto mong share sa akin?
Siyempre, di ba, pinalaki mo kong palaban. So, hindi tayo nagpapaapi. Pero, kidding lang po yan. Pero I really enjoy my journey in Top Model of the World because aside of the competition proper, we had the opportunity to visit some different places in Egypt. In Hurghada, we had the opportunity to have a cruise to see how beautiful the Red Sea and to have the activities in Safari. So the organization gave us a 2-day trip exploring the Hurghada. So we as a candidate, we experienced a different tourist destination in Hurghada. We experienced a lot of foods, and they show us some of the historical places in that city. And with those memories and activities with my co-candidates and sisters and all, I could really take it as one of the greatest gift from this competition at all, because most of them are really good person at all. Like we still have communication. Like Mauritius is always calling me at night, like, "Hey sister, are you okay? Are you going to the Philippines?" And then Colombia last night we had, which is the winner of Top Model of the World. We have the video call and telling me that, "Girl, I want to visit Philippines. Please have a date for me." And then sabi ko sa kanya, "Sure, just tell me when you want to be here in the Philippines." So the greatest gift from this competition at all is the sisterhood, which I could really treasure for my life. That despite mag-fade in na yung fame or yung crown or the title itself, but the connection, the sisterhood, it could be last forever.